Hello guys, today we are going to combine the effect we will created before to make a complete explosion effect. Since we have used all of these Niagaras, here we only make a display to see which Niagaras we have used. Okay, let's see. First is shockwave. Isolation the emitter. We can see the effect. And it was made in shockwave. Yes, in this Niagara. We have not changed any of these parameters except for the color, a user parameter. Yes, we can use this parameter to change the color in the level. In particle update, we use scale mesh size 0 to 1 and dynamic material parameters. In mesh render is plane and material. Okay, this is shockwave, we can see the effect. Then it's burst. We just created this effect in the previous video without any changes. And then it's beam. There is also no change. Oh yes, the colors used by all emitters here are user parameters, so that their colors can be uniformly controlled. Okay, next is smoke. We made this a long time ago, and the material used is this smoke. We can take a look. It's very simple. And its settings: spawn burst 200, initial particle, lifetime, color, and spirit size. We have a ship location, cylinder, and velocity from point. In particle update, we have spirit rotation rate, scale spirit size, dynamic material parameters, and scale color. We can see these settings. Also, we have another smoke. It spawned less, but it's larger in size. Okay, next is fire. It looks like shockwave. And we also created in the shockwave fire. Yes, here. Let's see its settings. Spawn burst, initialize particle, cylinder location, initial mesh orientation. Also, we have add velocity from point. In particle update, we have scale mesh size, scale color, and dynamic material parameters. Okay, next fire. We change its mesh size z-axis 2 to 5. And its setting we can see almost same. The detailed process we can view the previous video. Okay, next fire 3 is also almost same. Okay, next confetti burst is also made in shockwave, and it looks like a spark. We can see its settings. And next is directional burst. It's also made in shockwave, a spark effect. Okay, let's see its settings. Now it's correct. This effect we also made a long time ago, and its settings we can see. In Mesh Render, we use basic shape, a plane, and the material is this. Okay, next is crack 1, like a glow. Okay, then it's a real glow, yes. We also made this in Shockwave. Let's see, it's here. Let's see its settings. There is almost no change to it. We just add 100 to the z-axis so that it will display to be in the center of the explosion. Okay, next is glow 001. It's the same as glow, we just add 100 to the z-axis. This is the material. It's very simple. Yes. And here is settings. Okay, finally is glow 004. These three glow effects were all made in Shockwave. And it's also just add 100 to the z-axis. Nothing changed. Well, this is the complete explosion effect. It looks pretty good. We can change its color in the level. Choose the color you like. Okay, that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.